Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. In today's video, I am going to discuss very interesting and important topic, that is 5 highest paying programming languages to learn. The programming languages which will be helping you out a lot in your career. So selecting a programming language that aligns with your skill levels, expertise and experience is crucial. Like while mastering certain programming languages can potentially lead to higher salaries, your actual earnings are influenced by various factors. So explore a list of 5 of the highest paying programming languages today to consider for your career growth and financial prospects. Let's start. Number 1, Java. Java is very popular language for development careers. You can use this language for web application like J2EE, that is simply used for the advanced Java, that is used for website development, and general service application programming interfaces, that is the APIs, and backend development are present in the Java. The second one is C#. C# is a modern programming language in the C family of programming languages with many similarities to C, C++ and Java. Like C# is an easy language to learn. It's high-level programming language that's easy for developers to read and understand. Number 3, JavaScript. Programming in JavaScript has become easier with industry standard tools. HTML and CSS are the foundation for many existing technological systems, but the main language responsible for many of these user interfaces is JavaScript. Number 4 is Python, the most popular and the favorite language of everyone. So Python is a popular coding language that uses clean code that's easy to read and write. Its versatility makes it an effective tool for projects ranging from web application development to video games even. Number 5, SQL. Unlike the other languages on this list designed for writing programs, SQL, that is a structured query language, is for querying data. High-paying, in-demand career paths such as business intelligence analytics or data scientists require SQL knowledge for their day-to-day task. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have gained some information which is really helpful for your career. So do not forget to like and comment your queries in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe. See you in the next video.